Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert a dynamic word count field directly into your Microsoft Word document like this one. So you can instantly track your total words as you write. So to get started, place your cursor at the exact spot where you want the word count to appear, like here. And then you need to navigate to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. So on the right side in the text group, click on the quick parts and click on the field. So inside the field window, you need to set the categories drop down to the document information. And now select the num words and then click OK to proceed. Word will instantly display your document's current word count at your cursor position. So as you continue writing or editing text, keep in mind that this field does not update automatically in real time. So whenever you add new words and want to check your progress, so for this you need to right click here and click on the update field from the context menu. So repeating this simple step instantly recalculate and display your updated words count at any time. So if this quick tip helped you out, please like the video to support the channel. Thanks for watching.